second video of the T3 install. So there's all the T3 parts we're gonna install. Got the wheel wells looking pretty good, nice and shiny. Getting all like the, here, I'll show you real quick. It's actually pretty cool. I found all the inner plastic for the wheel well. It just gives it a nice clean look. I like it. You guys do what you want, but you know, I guess I'm just trying to make it look as clean as possible. And then here's this bad boy right here. Oh yeah. Got all that nicely painted. Doing a little more touch-up work, but for the most part, that's kind of what the wheel wells and how it's gonna look. So let me take a step back. Here's where I'm working. So the first thing we're gonna be putting in is the drop mounts. So these things are really kick-ass, machined beautifully, labeled, just easy for you guys to install. All the bolts and the hardware come with the kit. And I really suggest it because it just allows you a little more security if you are gonna go take the car out and race and you're gonna have some fun. You know what I mean? This is really gonna help the rear end stay planted to the ground and not wobble wobble all over the place, man. Dude, T3, good job, man. These are awesome. Thanks. All right, fam, so you guys can see everything from the backside. So you got 2 bolts in. This is hanging really nice. This is the front side, tells you which way the dog bone goes. And we're moving on to the other side right there. All right, here we go. So, dog bone, everybody. Got everything labeled. Obviously, you don't want it upside down. The T3's upside down. You just go off the diagram. Bada boom. Bada bing. So, had to find gloves because you're about ready to put grease on bushings. Put your grease on the bushing because grease on a bushing isn't a squeaky car. The beautiful coilover T3 made. It has the Swift springs on it with a camber adjustment for less and more. Obviously, we're going to go for more camber. And it takes the stock hub boom assembly that goes into it, and it's just a really nice upgrade for everything that you guys need because it allows you guys to do more modern things, more modern suspension, and I guess just a more modern ride. So we're gonna go through and put everything on. We've got the washers to set the gap. So these guys are gonna go in between right here, try to make it even. At least that's what I'm used to doing. People probably have their own methods and their own numbers on each side, but you know, for me, I'm just going to do same side on both, so it sits center in the lower control arm, and go from there. So here we go, more time lapse for you. Check that out, man. That is some cool stuff. I still need to get these brackets. They didn't come in the mail, but I know T3's already got them shipped out to me, so they will be all in. But look at this. That is just epic looking stuff, man. Like, it fits the 2+2 so great. Like, all you 2+2 guys out there, coupe guys, I don't even care. This suspension kicks ass. I recommend highly. Alright guys, moving on to the front.